Along with your new offices come a whole new set of lobby and visit room graphics. This video will walk you through how to install your HouseSmart feature wall. Your HouseSmart graphic ships with dimensional letters and a backlit hexagonal logo. Each of these have mounting studs pre-installed. These are the tools you'll need to install your graphic. Start by finding the center of your wall. The wall should be 162 inches wide by 108 inches tall. Your electrical outlet is installed at 48¼ inches from the left and 13 inches down from the bottom of a 6-inch crown molding. Center the top graphic template using the electrical outlet position as your guide. The top of the template should butt up against the bottom of your crown molding and should be roughly centered on the wall, with the hexagon shape completely covering up the outlet. Once your template is in the right position, use masking or painter's tape to secure it in place. Make sure the template is flat against the wall. Before installing the top graphic, tape up the lower template using the common guidelines to ensure correct positioning. The two templates should butt up against each other. With your templates installed, step back and look things over before drilling any holes. If everything looks centered and level, gather your tools to complete the installation. Start out with a 5/32 drill bit. Using a 5/32 drill bit, drill through each of the 37 stud markers on the top graphic. After drilling the holes for the top graphic, move to the lower graphics before removing your templates from the wall. The installation hardware for the lower graphics is different and requires a 1/8 drill bit. Pre-drill holes at the center of each of the 24 crosshairs. After all the holes are drilled, you can take down and discard both templates. Begin the installation by putting up the HouseSmart lettering first. Before installing the graphics, slide the 1½ inch spacer sleeves over each stud to keep the graphics from being flush against the wall. Plug the lighting unit into the outlet first. Peel the protective masking from each graphic. Press each letter into the pre-drilled holes, using a fist to gently seat each one into the wall. Now, move on to the lower graphics. Attach the special threaded rod screws to the wall using an Allen bit. Unless you're drilling into the wall stud, be sure to use the provided wall anchors. By hand, attach each barrel to the wall. After all the barrels are installed, screw the additional threaded rod into the barrel. Leave about 5/8 of an inch sticking out. Now hang the graphic panels into the rods in the same order shown here. Design, built, energy, budget. Attach the spacers by simply screwing them on by hand. Peel off one side of the protective layer from the acrylic lenses. Also, peel off a small amount from the other side around each hole. Next, hang the acrylic lens on the rods. Screw the caps on and peel the last of the protective layer from the acrylic lens. If you run out of room on the rod, simply screw or unscrew it to the desired length. Continue the process for each of the 4 graphics. Step back and admire your new feature wall.